Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here and I'm excited to share with you my day 9 of the 12 days of Christmas collaboration that I am doing with Cam of Piece of the Plans. So I'm about to go ahead and open my gift. Make sure you check out the 12 days of Christmas playlist from the beginning to check out what this whole collaboration is about, and also jump over to Kim's Piece of the Plans YouTube channel and check out what I gave to her for this Advent celebration between Planner Babe friends. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So she gave me this cute card. Be blessed with God's best in this glorious season. Love it. That is a cute card. Now, what do we have here? Oh, OMG. I love it. It's a Starbucks tumbler, you guys. I've never had one of these. And I see everybody collecting them, and I'm like, Larrissa, you will not fall for this rabbit hole. You will not fall for this rabbit hole. OMG, thank you, Cam. Oh, she's gorgeous. Is it a red or like a purple red, depending on how you turn it? It's so pretty. Ooh. Girl, yes. Thank you. Oh. And I love my iced coffee, my coffee. I don't know if this fits hot stuff or not. I'll have to find out. But ice water, whatever have you, it's going to look real pretty. Thank you, Cam. I appreciate you. So I decided to go ahead and include in this video the setup for the week of December 21st through the 27th in my horizontal planner. And I'm going to use this beautiful sticker kit called Eva from the Tawana Simone Etsy shop. It's like one of my favorite sticker sheets. In addition to that, I'm going to be using some of these washi tape from Simply Gilded. And I'm also going to have on hand the Homebody sticker book as well as the Homebody season sticker book. And I know I'm going to want to use the larger doll sticker in the bottom right hand corner. I tend to do that because there's always like a note section down at the bottom of a horizontal layout that I will just put odds and end notes in. And so if I decide to go full-blown decorative in that area, it will not affect my being able to actually write out my plans or notes. So I decided to go ahead first of all and pull some stickers from the Homebody book, and I was surprised that sticker I just pulled out is one strip of sticker, and I thought they were 3 boxes. And what I'll do is cut each of the box down. Well, that was my initial plan, but I never did use that sticker anyways. And now I just want to go and grab like a couple of quote stickers that I think will complement the Tawana Simone sticker kit. And I'm going to go ahead and look through the holiday season book as well, because I only saw like maybe one sticker from the Homebody sticker book that I thought I would like to use. And these are some really nice stickers. I actually like this Homebody seasonal book, but it's just, I'm so used to a lot of color with my stickers. It's sort of like weird, but I really love this sticker book. So that first quote sticker I'm going to put down, it says, new day, new adventures, new moments, new memories, new lessons, new challenges, and new opportunities. Now that sticker came from the actual Homebody sticker book, but I thought it was so appropriate, like for the fresh start of a week, especially when you're thinking about going into a New Year's as well. I just love that sticker. And then I put the Stay Cozy sticker down for the 23rd. And I'm trying to decide between these two stickers that I have left: the family time and loved ones who are dear to you. And I decided to go ahead and put family time down for Friday, which is the 25th, and then loved ones who are dear to you on the 27th, almost into the note section. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch to the Eva sticker sheet. And I love the doll stickers, so I don't want to use all three of them, but I'm going to use two of them. And so I like that square one with the doll stickers. So I put that down for Tuesday, alternating in between the quote stickers. I'm going to use some decorative stickers. And then for the 24th, I put Hello Winter already, though technically winter is now here. And then I was like, oh, you know what? Let me go ahead and put down some washi tape and the large doll sticker before I put down any more decorative stickers, just to make for sure that I have ample room and I can always work around the large doll sticker and the washi tape. And so that's what I did. And I want to use all three of these washi tape from Simply Gilded. The one is like a thicker frosty kind of washi tape that I actually have to use my scissors to cut, but it has like a bronze sparkly shimmer bow on it with the floral imprint in the background, and it's like a frosty texture to it. It's real pretty. And then it's like a pinkish rose gold, like more towards pink, washi tape with the white Simply Gilded bows. And then I have the holiday collection washi tape that has more like the florals of the winter with different gold foil dots throughout it, and it has like a blush color flowers throughout the pattern as well. And I just thought that went well with this particular kit. And so I'm just laying this down, and I'm just using odd shape lengths of each of the washi tape and just staggering the order for each section of the washi tape that I'm using. And I like the way it turns out. It's a new thing for me, but I think it's fun, and it allows me to be able to utilize a lot of the washi tape for this particular layout. And now I'm going back to using the rest of the decorative stickers. I'm trying to use as much as I possibly can off of this sticker sheet. I know that I will have a few stickers left over, which is fine because I can always use that in my journaling book or notebook and so forth. So I like to, I went ahead and put But First Hot Cocoa down for Monday. I like that because that's a change from But First Coffee. And I put the cocoa mug down with the whipped cream and swirls on top. It's so cute. And then I put the cell phone in the hands on Friday because, you know, that's a day where you're sending all your holiday text messages and so forth. I'm not a big phone person. I'm trying to really work on that. But it allows me to still let people know I'm thinking about them and so forth, just in case I get really busy on that day. And then for Wednesday, I put the cozy slippers, those fuzzy slippers, because it has Stay Cozy on the quote sticker there, and Cuddle Weather in that section too. I thought that was really cute. And I also decided to put the like coffee drink on Saturday. She's like holding the coffee drink in her hand. It has all the caramel drizzle on top of the whipped cream. That's something I would really get with the cookies and so forth. I thought that was cute. And then I topped off the Be Joyful sign with the holly leaves and berries. So I thought this turned out really cute. It's festive but very elegant kind of feel to it. and I love it. So let me know what you guys think down below. Have you ever ordered from Tawana Simone? I actually have a duplicate of the sticker kit because I thought it was so cute. So you will see it again. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, go over to Cam's channel, Piece of the Plan, and check out what I gave to her for day number 9, as well as all previous videos. Until the next time, thank you for joining me. Bye bye.